Good morning, everybody. You may have gotten a request from me recently regarding an account transfer. And what that means is I would like to take someone who I've enrolled, and I may have placed them under someone who is not building or has not ordered in a long time. And I'd like to move them over to someone else who may be more appropriate or a better fit for them. And doTERRA doesn't do this, take this lightly. They are very strict and it's very difficult to get things approved. And I have not done it in the past. And so I have a few things that I'd like to move around here. And so I wanted to show you how to make that approval. So I'm going to go ahead and share my desktop with you here and share. And sorry for my messy desktop. What you want to do is you want to go to your doTERRA account and log in. So I'm going to go ahead and log in real quick. And then you want to go to your back office by clicking underneath your name. There's the back office tab. Then go over here to your team tab right here and click on team. And then up will come down here off to the left side, the word placements. So go ahead and click on that. And this is a really great place to browse through, read up on all the enroller changes and sponsorship changes and things that you can do. And again, doTERRA does not take this lightly. They do, I have not had any approved of to date, so, but I'm asking some of you that I haven't asked before, and I would like to show you how to get this done. So all you have to do here is go to request tracking, click on this button here, and it takes a long time to load, so be patient. And I have some request transfers here. And I've done this video a couple times already because I keep messing up. So I've already approved all these, but I just wanted to show you that the requests that I've submitted, and if you click over here, there's a tab that says the ones that are needing to be approved. And so you click on this tab here. Oh, I did save one. I have one left here. So I'm going to click on this one and then go ahead and click approved and hit submit. And then click approve again. It's going to go through and talk about what we're doing and making sure that we initiate this and approve this. And this takes a long time for it to wiggle through the system, so just be real patient. And so once that's done, then you'll see that then I have approved all of these. And so if you can just go in there and make sure that you've got all of them approved. Now some of them you may have the name twice. And that's because I decided to move the enrollership for Christy Nason as well as the sponsorship over to Becky Clausen. And so that's why I'm doing that, as well as Leah. So you guys are amazing people. I just love you and really appreciate any support that you have. And if you have any questions about any of these transfers or how to do this or why we're doing this, please feel free to email me or call me or private message me, and I'd be happy to help take care of those questions for you. Now, I hope you have a beautiful day, okay? Take care.